Saddleman Road Sofa, 3,000 miles. What do I think? Let's go. Hey, good morning, good morning. Anonymous Biker USA, welcome back to the channel. First time here, hit the subscribe button, smash the thumbs up, share it out. On the 2021 Honda Goldwing Non-Tour DCT. Today's topic is a review and my thoughts on the Saddleman Road Sofa LS seat with 3,000 miles in it. Now, I did a video before of initial impressions. You can go watch that. I'll leave a link in the description below. But I've been getting a lot of comments. How's the seat? What do you think? So 3,000 miles is a good indicator for a little bit better of a review now that I've been in it for trips of an hour up to 9.5 hours. So, all right, full disclosure, I paid for the Saddleman seat. So this was not given to me. So there is no requirement for me to give bad, good, or indifferent. So these are real life thoughts from an everyday rider. Those of you know I got this Goldwing, oh, it's been a little over a year, I think. And I rode in that stock seat. It was okay. On a 1 to 10, I'd give it a 5, which is exactly what you expect from a stock seat, right in the middle, mediocre. And I looked around at the seats and I was like, you know what, that Saddleman Road Sofa with the LS, the orange inlay stitching. So let's go through the process. Saddleman, from ordering to delivery. Go on the website, super intuitive, super easy. Design your seat, what features you want, heat it, not heat it. This is the heated seat. And then you pick your color stitching. Super simple. So ease of ordering, ease of use with their website, not a problem. Once I decided on the type of seat I wanted, the coloring, I hit send, instantly got an email, thank you for your order. And they gave me processing time, which was approximately 4 to 6 weeks. Now, Saddleman's customer service was outstanding. Every step of the way, they gave you updates. This is where your seat is. Hey, your seat went from production to crafting to molding to this to that. So always informed along the way of the process, which is awesome. Sunday morning, not that busy. Memorial Day weekend 2023. So with Saddleman, the process is every seat is made when you order it. So it is handmade, a lot of craftsmanship. And one of the things that differentiates them in their seat is that gel that they put in, and I can tell you it makes a difference. This seat is super comfortable, it's wider, and from the stock seat you actually sit in the seat. And I'll walk around and show you the seat again, but the lumbar support on it is perfect. It's just high enough that keeps you in the seat. It feels like it wraps around you, so when you're riding the bike, especially in sport mode, it eliminates any sliding back. So from that is a home run. The quality and craftsmanship, Saddleman seat, took it out of the box, 10 out of 10. You can tell it's made well, it's durable, it's got some weight to it. It's not just some plasticky feeling seat, and rightfully so, because it is not an inexpensive product. However, for the price, you definitely get what you pay for. The heating element, as far as the hookup and installation, I did not do that. I was getting service done on the wing when I got the seat, so I just had them throw it on. I'd rather take my time and ride my bike. I don't want to sit there wrenching on them. With the limited time I do have to ride, rather much do that. If you prefer to wrench, good on you. Not my thing. Time is limited, but the install, I heard, is very simple. Pretty basic wire diagram, etc., etc. The heat function on it you watch that other video, is relatively quick. I think from 0 to pretty good heat was like 7 seconds when I did it in my video. No complaints on that, and it was a cold day in the 20s. Definitely felt it, and it has 3 settings. It also has the passenger pillion. It has heat in that as well, so that's a nice added feature. So comfortability, long trips, I mean, I'll go 9 out of 10. I don't think anything's a 10 out of 10, because anytime you spend 8-9 hours on any seat, you're gonna start feeling it, and that's just riding the bike, right? So it's as high as I could rate it against any other seat that I have, and I've had several different manufacturers. So aesthetics, I'll go 10 out of 10. Quality craftsmanship, 10 out of 10. Price, 8.5 out of 10. I mean, it's not inexpensive, but it's if you're thinking about it, it's worth it, because it does make a difference. Durability remains to be seen. We'll see how this seat holds up over the years. I really don't think we'll have a problem or issue there. But the things that you want are, you know, comfort, durability, craftsmanship. Did you get what you pay for? I can say 100% yes, I did. I have 0 complaints. The people at Saddleman were outstanding. And let's take a look at how the seat looks on the bike. One thing people did ask me, does the seat, is it wider that you are so stretched out in your legs that you can't touch the ground as much if you're height challenged, I guess you could say? I can still flat foot this bike with this seat. The stock seat is a little narrower, but I didn't have any problems. So I think anybody 5'11" up should not be an issue. If you're 5'10" under, you may start getting on the balls of your feet, but that's no big deal. And if you're like 5'8", 5'7" and under, may be an issue. It may just take that little bit of room that you had to put your feet down and change it. So the thing is, once you select the seat you want and you hit submit order, because it is custom, there's limited time in turning back. You can't be changing your order, so make sure you're 100% sure of what you want if you're using the custom stitching, which I did. So if you have any further questions about the Saddleman Road Sofa LS, leave it in the comments below. I'll do my best to answer it. I did this video because of all the questions in the last video, but I just didn't have enough miles in it to comfortably give it a quote review. So we're at 3,000 miles, a lot of long days, a lot of short days. And would I pick this seat again? 10 out of 10, absolutely yes. So let me know if you have the Saddleman Road Sofa LS. I know Sinister Clutch does, he loves his, and he's one of the reasons that I looked at this seat, because of his great review. But you know, and they make these obviously for every manufacturer, not just Honda, Harley, they're huge. So go check them out. Road Sofa LS. LS is for lattice stitch. You don't have to pick that design, and you can get the backrest if you want. I chose not to. Never really rode with a backrest. I don't need it. That's why you gotta hit the gym, right? Keep your core strong, keep your lower back strong, and then you don't need the backrest. This lumbar support is high enough that it does give you a little support if you just want to lean back, put your feet on the highway pegs. But if you want the backrest, the option's there, up to you. So that's my take, 3,000 miles in on the Saddleman Road Sofa LS. Thanks for watching, and don't forget,